Hello and welcome to my channel, and today I'm working with a lovely company, FFS, which stands for Friction Free Shaving. So we're working together on this. It's a gifted item and it is a subscription razor blade. Let me explain more. So they offer two ways of doing this. You can either buy it as a subscription or you can buy just as a one-off. Let me show you a few of the goodies. So this is the lovely box that I got through the door. Absolutely delighted with all of this. So this is like a starter kit. And in it, I've got the razor blade handle, which is rose gold and it's been engraved with my name on it. That is a service that they offer for £6. So I'll just pop a little picture in of it now. And the great thing about this company is they recycle these for you if you want them to. Talk about that in a minute. So I've got 4 weeks worth of razors, 1, 2, 3, 4. The razor blades themselves have got the little strips on, you know, like with the moisturising stuff. And then they've got 6 mini blades within each one. I've got this little, it's called a clamshell. So it's like a case that goes over to protect the razor once it's in place. And then I've got here some soothing post-shave balm. And then just a little bag, and also that's come in this set is one of these which you can obviously stick to the wall in your shower. So I'm just going to show you a little bit about them, how you work it. So you've got the lovely little handle. It's really it's quite a heavy one, you know, like good quality. It's absolutely lovely. I can't believe it's got my name on it. And rose gold. It's my favourite. Right, so you just clip as normal. There we go. Absolutely lovely. I'll just give you a bit of a close-up of that. Now this one I actually used this morning because I wanted to give it a go before I spoke about it. So I'm just going to insert a quick clip here of me having a go with it in my armpit. So now I'm going to use the razor to shave my underarm. I've actually let that grow for 2 weeks, so I've got quite a bit of hair under there. Kept it for the purposes of this video. So I've actually got some mousse sort of stuff rubbed into my arm because obviously I'm not in the shower at the moment, so it's not going on dry. So let's give it a go. So that's it done. I was a little bit concerned it might tug a bit because the hair was a little bit longer, but it didn't at all. I've not had any nicks anywhere. I've shaved under my arms, I've shaved my bikini line and my legs I do my thigh right down to my ankle, and not one nick, nothing at all, which has really surprised me from a razor shape like this. So absolutely, definitely recommend it. It's lovely. So I've just used my razor for the first time, and now I'm going to apply some of the post-shave balm. This one's with rich manuka honey, almond oil and cocoa butter. So let's put a little bit of this on. It smells absolutely lovely and it's a lovely moisturising lotion. So I'll be totally honest with you now, my legs have not felt as smooth as this in a long time. If you've been a subscriber for a while, you'll know that I always use the Gillette Venus razors. I've said to you before that they don't shave that close, but I like them because I never cut myself or never get nicked. And I have to say, using this, I was a little bit scared because it's quite heavy and because I'm used to the Venus one that's got the big gel bits on, and it just stops it stops you nicking your legs. But I have not nicked myself once, and I did reluctantly try to go in a bit heavy-handed to see if it would nick, and it didn't. So I'm absolutely delighted, and my legs feel so smooth. I know when YouTubers work with brands, sometimes you think they might be spinning a bit of a yarn, but my legs honestly feel so soft and smooth. So they offer, I keep waving this around, don't I? They offer a few different ways. Let me just refer to my notes. So there's a couple of different ways you can buy this. There's a subscription service which they offer that you can have it every month or every 2 months, so you get a whole new set of blades, and at the moment that's £9.95 per month or per 2 months. Or you can just pay as a one-off and buy a set. So this is the small set, And as I've gone through before, it's got the razor blades and then the balm and then all the extra bits. So that comes in at £24. Or you can go for a bigger set at £33 and you get a lot more balms in it. They sell everything individually as well, and as I mentioned earlier, you can get these lovely handles engraved, and that just costs £6. And then there's an option on the website when you go in, you can either have that done or you can skip over, and obviously you don't have to pay for it. And then they also kindly sent me a box of waxing strips. Now I will be honest with you, I'm petrified of these. I've never waxed anything, but I might have a go on my tash. Not sure if I'm going to be putting that on the internet though. So the waxing strips come with a little guide as to how to use them, and you get 6 of those for £3, but again they're just an optional extra if you want to buy those. So you also get a 12-month warranty on the handle, so if it snaps or you have any issues you can get a replacement. Just spotted something else on the back of this. Once registered, you'll also receive a £4.50 voucher of credit to spend on your next order, plus a free surprise gift. So yeah, I'll be doing that. And then there's also some vouchers here for my friends. So I'll be giving a few of these out. Invite your friends to join our club and we'll credit your account with £3 for every person that joins. And then there's a little code there to do that. And then they're also offering something that I can give to my friends. So they get a starter kit for £6. So what I'm going to do, because this is getting a bit complicated, me telling you everything, I'll put in the description box below all the different price options, the different subscription offers, any discount codes that they've given me to share with you, all the links to the site, blah, blah, blah. Everything will be in the description box below. So it'd be great if you wanted to try those products. I honestly, this is a very honest review of this. Really rate it, really like it, and it is an absolutely fantastic idea as a gift. I think if somebody got me one of those engraved with my name as a gift, like the starter kit, I'd be delighted with that. So with Christmas coming up, check the description box below and get purchasing. So I hope you've enjoyed that little review. I've not done a product review for quite a long time, so I've really enjoyed filming it. If you're not a subscriber already, maybe you might want to hit that button and keep your eye out for my next product review, because there's going to be a lot more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.